Hello everyone, welcome back to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening a box of Magic the Gathering The Brothers War set boosters. So without further ado, let's open the box and see what we can get. Once again, set booster display means 30 packs inside. Once again, I will skip art cards and the comments, as well as the uncommons, because we don't care about those. A Lodestone Golem in the old design, very nice. A Liberator, Ursa's Battlethopter, also nice to get. And a Retrieval Agent in foil. On to the next pack we go. We have a Chromatic Star for the old style and a Foundry Inspector, very nice. A Fateful Handoff and a Foil Symmetry Matrix. Next pack. Really nice. Well, I said wouldn't comment on them, but it's looking really nice, so I wanted to point it out. A Quicksilver Amulet in the old style and Misery's Shadow, as well as a Horn Stone Seeker and a Kataki War's Wage in our list slot. That's also a nice one to have. On to the next pack we go. Not so nice swamp here. And we have a Ornithopter, good old classic, Kyla's Reconstruction, and a Precursor Golem in the old style and foil. That's a nice one. And Sabo Tavok for our list slot here. Box is starting off pretty decently. Of course, prices wise, you will see after I've edited the video. Might not be that impressive. But I personally don't really care about the prices here. We have a Key to the City in the old style. That's also a nice one. We have Mishra, Tamer of Makfawa, and a Geas Corsa in foil. And to the next pack we go. Where we have a Jetfire Ingenious Scientist, so one of the Transformer cards. A Cloud Key, Tokasia Dixite Mentor, and a Mishra's Onslaught in foil. Next pack. Starting off with a Foil Island, we have an Ichor Wellspring, a Burnished Heart, Brushland, and a Foil Junkyard Genius, and a Jade Avenger in the list slot. On to the next pack, where we have an Etherflux Reservoir. That's a nice one in the old style. A Draconic Destiny and a Dwarven Forge Chanter, as well as a, well, what do you call them again? Replacement card, basically, for cards that have a dual face. But you can also use them as very cheap proxies. No big deal. And we go on to the next pack. We have a Soul Guide Lantern, Over the Top, and a Tomakul Scrapsmith in foil. Mox Ember for our art card here. We have an Elsewhere Flask, a Pristine Talisman, Mechanized Warfare, and a Zephyr Sentinel for our foil. On to the next pack, if it doesn't defend itself. This time I foil regular island. We have Starscream, Power Hungry, one of the Transformers again. We have a Self-Assembler and Swift Foot Boots, those are also really nice. Hall of Taxin, and a Sadian Cliff Stomper for our foil. On to the next pack we go, where we have a token stance card. And we have another Soul Guide Lantern, a Cityscape Leveler. That's a very nice hit. I think even be one of the best hits that you can get here, if I recall correctly. So yay! On to the next pack we go. Oh, that used to be rare. We have a Bonesaw and Hercule's Final Meditation, a Fraxodemon as our foil, and a minigame instructions card. I wonder if anybody ever actually plays those, because most of them include buying more product, which is precisely what Wizards wants you to do. So here we have a Millstone, a Fortified Beachhead for soldiers, and a Wing Commando, as well as Deny Reality in our list slot. Nothing too fancy here. On to the next pack we go. Where we have another Millstone, a Hajar Loyal Bodyguard, a Foil Foundry Inspector with the old frame, and a useless Here's Friday Night Magic card. And on to the next pack we go, where we actually hit a Mox Ember in the old frame. That's definitely a very good one. Also, don't worry, I will sleeve things up directly afterwards. An Ursa's Command, a Hoarding Recluse for our foil, and the token. And on to the next pack we go. With a Mystic Forge. Now we're getting somewhere. A Teething Wormlet, a Keeper of Cadence, and an Algevian Find for our list slot. On to the next pack we go, where we have an Inspiring Statuary, also a very nice card to hit, a Fauna Shaman, a Goring Warplow in foil, and a token card. Still a few packs left to go. Still a few more hits that we can find. I would like to find the Gaia cards, the land as well as the creature. We have an Ornithopter here, a Pristine Talisman once again, Harbin, Vanguard, Aviator, and a Falashi, or however you want to pronounce it, Vanguard, as well as a replacement card for the double-faced cards. On to the next pack. We have Swiftwood Boots, very nice, a Mesmeric Orb, Thanos the Toy Maker, a Great Desert Prospector in foil, and a information card for Arena and Friday Night Magic. Well, I think it was just Arena on both sides. On to the next pack we go. We have an Archie Sharpshooter, once again a Transformers card, and a Acrobatic Coupe on the other side. a springleaf drum, Legions to Ashes, Diabolic Intent in foil. And that's it. So on to the next pack. Is that the key to a city? Yes, it is. Very cool looking. We have Mishra's Bauble. That's also nice. Another Cityscape leveler. And Mishra's Domination in foil. On to the next pack. We have a Rune Chanter's Pike, a Teresian Mindbreaker, Ashnod's Intervention, and a replacement card. On to the next pick. Ooh, there's a nice stamp here. Mass production. Interesting. And here we have a Sigil of Valor, a Foundry Inspector, a Self-Assembler, 3 of those, a Razorlash Transmogrant, and a foil Disfigure. Very nice. Still a few more packs left. That's also a very nice looking plane. Planes, I guess. And we have a Psychosis Crawler, Felden Ronum Excavator, and a foil Goblin Blast Runner. But we also have a Blessed Reversal. Oh, that's an old card from the list. I remember actually using this back in my starting days from, I think it was 8th edition. Yeah, if I recall correctly. So here we have Ashnod the Uncaring with the old frame. We have the Self-Assembler, Titania, Voice of Gaia. Quite nice. Now we just need the land as well. And a Mightstones animation for our foil. So, 4 packs left to go. Let's see what we can find. We have a Swift Foot Boots, a Maze Mind Tome, Tokasia's Welcome, a Falashi Dragon Engine in foil, and a token. 3 packs left to go. Let's see what we can find in those. We have another Ashnod the Uncaring, Mishra's Bauble in the blueprint design, Lauren of the Third Path, that's also a nice one, and a foil Power Stone Engineer. Second to last pack with a very nicely designed art card, Mishra's Foundry. And here we have a Self-Assembler, Hall of Texan, a Portal to Phyrexia. That's also a nice one to hit, especially in foil. So, last pack. Give us something incredible. Let's see. We have a Helm of the Host in the blueprint design. That's already something good. We have the Stasis Coffin, a Trench Stalker in foil, and a Vivian Reed. Not too shabby. So this was another card opening here on this channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing, and I will be seeing you at the next one.